Banyale ban kyntiew ke sap kapong jong nongialehkai ke jela ha kasngi palai jong katayo ke sarkar jela kala plat patba iaka talent identification program ke benta ke balai bat ke elite pathway program ke benta ke baar ha ke jingalang ke balalong ha ke skul ba North Eastern Hill University. Ya gini program la plat patba du menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ke jingadan lang bat uklur no ak film ke Bollywood John Abraham ki he officer sarkar bat kibe-kibe. Hagani ke jingalang ke sarkar jela kala IT ru ya ke sekolah rete alok bantai ya ke Football Residence Academy bat John Abraham ubalong nongalam jong ke North East United Football Club. Habagran ke jingalang o Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba ke sarkar kala bo akamat ya ki samla ke jing tau kino ki mat rekam jong ke sarkar. Bat ke sarkar kala plek jingmut ban kyntiew ke yok kokot bagi dai ki samla kilong keme bat kinong rap bat kano ke ba ke sarkar kale kapenting kena bagi samla ki debani ojing mentoy. Menteri rang ba ulong bahaki laisnem ke belalet ke sarkar kala thau kombasan pho na kashispa ye gijing tai ha ka kyntiew keberan mentah ha ka jela. Bat gijing bai tengkah ha ka kyntiew kandang ye bteng bat ke pentep bapalat lais pa atli tam ki kyntiew ladep bantai ha ka leng jong jela megalaya. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba ke sarkar jela ke jing scam ha ka bantai syu gijing dan kam ha ka kyntiew ha ka jela. Bat ke sarkar ke plek jingmut aka sap jong nongialehkai keberan ki Shillong ki thau bat bansan dor ka sap ke jongki. Bat ke sarkar kan lebet ke babahatam na ke benta ki samla. Ka talent identification program ke program ke ba ke sarkar ke persang bansan dor ya ke jingla jongki kena aret ke bayat rengkat ba ke jingle ke babahatam. Kat bagi elite pathway program ke senjam ke bagi samla kini ojing hikai bikin syapen ko bor ha ke nongialehkai bapher.
That if the state has to move forward, we cannot continue with the same kind of governance approach that we had been having in the past. I'm not blaming anybody, nor am I saying what they did was not correct. Everybody has a style of functioning, and I had my own thoughts. And hence, when we came into the government in 2018, we were very clear that rather than looking at departments and looking at schemes and focusing on implementation of schemes, we need to focus as a government on the beneficiaries and what is it that we're trying to achieve by implementing these schemes, and what is it that we're trying to achieve by these different departments doing the different works that they are doing. Now, why is that important? It's important because administration and governance is so complex that while we are focusing on the different rules and different schemes and different programs and policies, we actually forget what is it that we wanted to do. And therefore, we need to keep reminding ourselves, what is it that we are trying to do as a government? And hence started a very long process of us reforming our entire outlook. And we said we will go as per the stakeholder approach. And who are these stakeholders? These stakeholders are our youth. Our stakeholders are the women of our state. Our stakeholders are the farmers of our state. So like that, the entrepreneurs of our state. So whatever we do as a government, it must impact and be beneficial for the youth. And that's when we came out and we realized that for 47 years, the state government of Meghalaya had been running different sports and youth affairs programs without a policy. And how can you move forward without the policy? Because then you don't know what you want to do in life. You need to set targets. You need to fix a vision, a goal. And then you need to be able to define the process and the route with which you will achieve those goals. These are basic principles for any organization to be able to lead or reach to a desired goal or objective or vision that they have. And hence, the youth became the center of our policy making. The youth became the center of our approach as to what we need to do. It was not the schemes anymore. It was not the programs anymore. It was not the officials or the politicians anymore. It was what is good for the youth of our state, this government will do. And that is why, if you've noticed in the last 5 to 6 years, the policies we created, the programs that we made were youth-centric.